Namaste, students. After a lot of discussion and debates in the classroom itself, now we are going to see how to write the essay portion in Sanskrit of Uttishtata Jagrata lesson, which denotes Vivekananda's Charitam. Let us start. The question is स्वामी विवेकानंदम अधिकृत्य यथामति स्वभाषया संक्षिप्य लिखत. और सेकेंड क्वेश्चन उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत इति पाठं संगृह्य लिखत. राइट अबाउट विवेकानंदा's चरितम in your own language. First question. Then second question is उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत, the lesson you can describe briefly. Okay, now we are going to see the प्रस्तावना. नवीन भारतस्य निर्माणे बहूनां योगदानं वर्तते. The new India, new Bharat, constructed with many people. It means so many ideas were there. ते सर्वे भारतं श्रेष्ठतमं कर्तुम् अयतन्त. They did that much effort to grow up the entire country, that means Bharat. Teshu Vivekanandaha Anyatamaha. Among them, Vivekananda has that much of vision to construct or growth of Bharat. Now we are going to see Vivekanandasya Charitra Chitranam. जननम, हिज बर्थ. कोलकाता नगरे 1863 तमे वर्षे जनवरी मासस्य 12 दिने विवेकानन्दस्य जन्म अभवत्. विवेकानंदा was born on 12 Jan 1863 at Kolkata. His parents, पितरौ. विवेकानंदस्य पिता श्री विश्वनाथ दत्तः, माता भुवनेश्वरी. विवेकानंदस्य नाम, विवेकानंदस्य प्रथमं नाम नरेंद्रनाथ दत्तः. Yes, first he kept his name as Narendranath Dattah. After getting sannyasam only he becomes Vivekananda. तस्य पठनं, his studies. सः अध्ययने पटुः आसीत्. सः कोलकाता नगरे प्रेसिडेन्सी कलाशालायां BA अध्ययनं कृतवान्. He was so clever in his studies. He studied his BA at Kolkata Presidency College. Pathanam. Again, we are going to see his spiritual study. ततः तस्य आत्मविषयक अध्ययने अभिरुचिः जाता. आत्मविषयक अध्ययनम, that means spiritual study. He had a wish to study about the spiritual things. He wants to study about his mind or some mind. We can take as mind. For that he met his guru, Guroho Darshanam, where he met Dakshineshwarasya Kali Mandire Shri Ramakrishna Paramahamsasya Darshanam Abhavat. He met his guru at Dakshineshwara Kali temple. His name was Shri Ramakrishna Paramahamsaha. एषः एव नरेन्द्रस्य अध्यात्मगुरुः अभवत्. He, that means that Ramakrishna Paramahamsa becomes his spiritual guru. Spiritual studies oda guru. So spiritual studies guru. संन्यास दीक्षानन्तरं नरेन्द्रस्य नाम विवेकानन्दः इति अभवत्. After getting sannyasam to study spiritual things, he took sannyasam After getting a sannyasam, we have to change our name. So somehow he changed his name as Vivekanandaha. Then he was represented the Bharat country and went to America and gave a speech. America Gamanam. When he went, विवेकानन्दः 1893 तमे वर्षे अमेरिकादेशस्य शिकागो नगरे विश्वधर्मसभायां भगिन्यः भ्रातरश्च अमेरिकावासिनः इति स्वभाषणम् आरब्धवान्. In that world conference, he started his speech as, "My dear brothers and sisters of America." Then एषः विविधधर्मेषु जाताः जनाः सर्वे अन्तिमे एकमेव भगवन्तं प्राप्नुवन्ति. However, we are having a lot of duties and lot of things. Somehow we are going to end in a God's feet, in a same God's feet, he said in his statement. Asya sankalpaha, his determination was samajasya rashtrasya cha aikyabhavameva asya sankalpaha. Unity and integrity was the determination of Vivekananda. Entirely, it means society and country both should have unity and integrity. Then only the country's development will be there. That was the determination. For that, he had a vision. So he started Ramakrishna Mission. What he did at Ramakrishna Mission? Yes, Janaseva, Swasthya Raksha, Stri Shiksha, आधुनिक औद्योगिकी प्रभृतिषु क्षेत्रेषु असाधारणं कार्यं कर्तुं रामकृष्ण मिशन संस्थापितवान्. Yes, he established Ramakrishna Mission to serve all the people, and he had a vision to give a medicine to everyone. That's why Swasthya Raksha. Then he had a vision that all the girls, women should be educated. That's why Stri Shiksha. Then in the employment area, all should be covered within a samstha. That's why he established Ramakrishna Mission. Then his upadeshaha, his advice, Vivekanandasya upadeshaha, uttishtata jagrata prapyavaran nibodhata iti. He took his advice from Kathopanishad. Upanishad, in that there are so many branches in the Upanishad. In that, Kathopanishad is a one of that. From that, he took his Upadesha Vakyam. Asya Saraha, Nirbhayo Bhava, Rashtradevo Bhava, Uttishtha, Balam Avalambasva, He Manusha, Durbalo Mabhuhu, Narasya Seva, Maheshasya Seva, Sarvaihi Snehebhavena Bhavitavyam iti. So, Nirbhayo Bhava, be without fear. Rashtradevo Bhava, service to the country. Uttishtha, always be aware. Balam avalambasva, be strengthened. He manusha, durbalo ma bhuhu, don't be weak always. You are having all the kind of energies. You have to be very enthusiastic. Narasya seva, Maheshasya seva. Service to the people is service to the God. Sarvaihi snehebhavena bhavitavyam. We all be with kindness and affection. So, these are the things or his Upadesha. So, in a board exam, if we write the Vivekananda's essay in this manner, we may get 6 marks. If we write the essay without any kind of error. Thank you, children.